Well, good morning. It's June 5th, my last day, my retirement day. I'm going to drag along the action cameras with me today and we'll just go through what's going on. But I've just logged in. I'm looking at Teams, our new environment and technology today. Everybody's on Teams and I'm getting some of the goodbyes. And that's today. Anybody would really feel different because I'm going to log into this machine here this morning. I'm going to do a session here for an hour or so, and then I'm going to pack up all this stuff here. This is not my equipment. It's the Rock County's equipment, and I will move their equipment out, and then I will be moving more of my equipment back in. So it's a sad day. I'm going to take all my technology work and everything. I'm going to park it at the gate. I have a good YouTube friend of mine that's a 777 pilot, actually just retired, and the best advice given is I'm a SQL Server data architect, and I'm going to park my SQL servers at the gate, and the next captain's going to take over, and I'm going to retire. That's how to sum it up, with the employer and everything. I don't know what else to say. I mean, I've got a lot invested with the county. I've enjoyed it. I've had great people to work with, but it's on to another adventure. I've been doing government, taxes, transactions with SQL servers with Rock County for 25 plus years. So it's quite a relationship that we had, but it's over now. So let me get logged in and, let me just do my notes here with Teams and then review my files, and then we'll head on into Steamboat with the equipment. Catch you in a bit. Well, go get the stuff, load up the car, and we'll head to Steamboat. Well, good morning. Here we are in the car, headed for Steamboat Springs. As mentioned earlier in the video, this is my retirement day, my last day on the job. And let you know, too, what this channel is all about. It's all about boosting your ego and teaching you the ability of having more money in your pocket. That's what it's about. It's just what I've learned over the years, in my mid-60s here, retiring from my career. I want to pass that on to you. So now, I'm going to have plenty of time to shoot YouTube videos and be able to be there for your comments and things like that. So anything you guys got as far as comments or what I have to say, be sure to leave them because I'll be there to answer. Your last week on the job, maybe you guys can tell me what you went through. You went through your career retiring. So I can tell you, I gave 30 days notice myself. I have a pretty good relationship with the people that I work with, and guys, I'm here at the courthouse, so I'm going to turn in my computer and all that stuff and go do my exit interview meeting, tell some people goodbye, and we will be on our way to retirement. So there you have it. I'm Jim. Life is good. Take care, guys. We'll see you.